One of the smallest one, little different how I put it together. Something under the keyboard like this sound. I'm ready. Are you ready? Hello. So today I have been tuning this little baby Yamaha grand piano, and this sounds nice now. But there's one key with extra sound here. If you can hear it click. So I have to find out what is making this click. I have to take a mechanism out. And sorry, I'm in a school here, and they have some break, and it's a little loud around us, so maybe they will be loud. And yeah, I have to take a mechanism out and find out what is making this sound here. Sounds like something is loose inside. I'm ready. Are you ready? Try to tighten it from behind here, this one. There's some extra sound in this key here. Maybe I have to tighten the bolt here, and that. So, the problem was, this bolt here was too loose, so that was making some extra sound. If I play on it now, it's gone. This little fix, and it's working now. No extra sound. Sometimes it's too loose, they make sound like here, like this sound. Yeah, then I take this bolt here, it was loose here, like here, making extra sound when it was touching each other. I have to tighten it and put it in right position. And now, no extra sound. So I fix the extra sound there. And I have to put the mechanism together and close the piano, finishing everything. Sometimes it's something under the keyboard like this here. It was laying here, has been going here somewhere through. There. Everything has to fit, so I can tighten it down. Check a little here at the end, on the left. everything is working well here. And take my tuning things here and put it in my bag. Tuning hammer and the felt. And so I finished tuning this piano. It's a Yamaha little baby grand GB1. It's a little small piano from Yamaha, one of the smallest one. And a little different how I put it together from original pianos. So I finish this one and I go to the next piano. If you haven't subscribed, you can follow me. Today I'm not feeling very well, little coldness in my body. And I also had a little ski accident in the Austrian Alps. So I have to walk with two of these. And I have assistance to carry my bag, but I can tune. I'm here for you, and I look forward to see you again. And you can see me, of course. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.